Hi all, good evening. This is Lipsa here. Today I am going to say about something like wellness and plus life. How we can define wellness as a life, why wellness is important, why it is needed in this life. Now situation you can just check a small virus called the coronavirus which is impacted entire the global. So in this time how we will prepare for ourselves through wellness. I'm going to tell about all the details related to wellness. So why I'm going to telling you this topic behind is right. I'm just thinking today's situation how will be living our life so that we will be feel very healthy and we will be fight against this type of disease not only now in for future also. Instead of going to doctor we can be prepare ourselves from home. So before going to this, I just introduction myself. Myself Lipsa Raut. I am from Odisha, living in Chennai. I have completed my BCA from Sikkim Manipal University. I have done my executive MBA from IIBM. Total 7.5 year experience in various fields: telecom, banking, insurance, etc. I am a married person having 4-year-old kid. Ex-UNICEF social worker at school, Rashtrapati Award holder in Scouts and Guide. I love social activities, so I'm working in a bank. In that CSR Green Champion member I love to do debating, social work and making new friends, traveling, creating innovative ideas. This is what all about me. So before going to topic, I will first tell you what is wellness. Wellness is nothing which will give you healthy and fulfilling life towards mental, social, physical, in terms of everything in healthy life. Nothing else. As for WHO, World Health Organization, wellness is an active process of becoming aware of making choices towards a healthy and fulfilling life. Wellness is a state of complete, as I said, physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. You should be far away from disease. That is only one mindset of wellness, because after all health is important in everywhere. So health is wealth. Without health, if you are a super richer person also, if you are a very good person, so if you have many diseases then you cannot get happy in your life. If you earn more money but if you have more disease, the money will flow like anything. So you should be stay healthy always. That's why someone said health is wealth. So why I'm telling this? Because what is the importance of lifestyle to healthy, staying healthy and wellness? Being healthy should be a part of our overall lifestyle. Living healthy lifestyle, you can prevent many chronic diseases, long-term illness. You will feeling very good about yourself. Taking care of your health is most important things day-to-day life, and it will give you self-esteem and self-image. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by doing it is right way for your body. It's a good example for you. I will tell you what is the challenges nowadays you are staying when not taking care of our healthy lifestyle. You just see the small those things. For staying healthy you have to following many things, like you have to eat more vegetables, you have to do exercise regularly, physical exercise regularly, your mind should be calm, you should feel relaxation, you should do walking every day, and you should be commitment for exercise, you should be active always, you should be balanced always, you should eat nutrition foods, you should sleep 8 to 9 hours minimum at least a day. So inside supplements needs, inside supports need, then only you will get outside healthier. So your eating habit, your fitness style, everything should be correct, then only you can maintain your healthy lifestyle. How many of you tell me the true things? We are following everything routinely, like we are eating healthy food, like you are walking every day, doing exercise every day, drinking lots of water, sleeping timely, eating nutrition foods, and overeating habit, living over it, taking prevention for your healthy life, and staying fitness, maintaining your fitness, doing your good choices, involving with many mindful, peaceful, healthy, watching videos and all. Did you follow these steps everyday life, spiritual videos and all? Did you follow this? I don't think no, because today the time is like this flee away in our day-to-day busy life. We cannot concentrate on the same things. So that's the reason now that health is getting important for all. You can just check current situation. There is a virus which is coming from out of India, but it is collapsed in India. Not only India, it collapsed entire the globe. So in this time, health is very much of important rather than money, rather than everything. So I'm going to show you, before going to wellness, what is the common disease nowadays which we are facing everywhere. Everyone's family having one person in this disease. Now disease loves our families and coming, I can say like this. So the real-time assessment, we have a survey from National Health Department. So this below diseases are coming our day-to-day life, which is stroke, diarrhea disease, lower respiratory infections, cancer is the common disease for all, neonatal disorders, asthma, skin infection, hormonal imbalance, fatness, diabetes. So this all diseases are common diseases in day-to-day life. You can find at least a heart patient in everyone's home, at least a cancer patient, at least a skin infections and fatness and diabetes patients in day-to-day life everywhere's homes. You can find many people died due to heart disease, heart strokes, diarrhea due to bad eating habit. Diarrhea is coming, lower respiratory infection. Just think about current situation. COVID is the main reason for lower respiratory infection, is for that only COVID happening. Cancers, neonatal disorder, asthma, cold, cough continuously not going, skin infection, rashes and all, hormonal imbalance, which will getting many skin diseases. If you have hormonal imbalance, you will getting many skin diseases like pimples, rashes and everything. Fatness, due to fatness, you're not able to manage any work, not able to do anything. Diabetes, common things. Just think about this normal disease due to of lack of taking care of our health. These common diseases are coming. So you want to stay in green zone healthy life, or you want to stay in always in disease? If you are always in disease, you have to travel with your bag every time in the hospital. So that's better to prevention. You have to take prevention. Prevention is better than cure. So you have to take care of your health. So I would rather say, what is the main cause we are getting health problem? There is various reason. I will review step by step reason. Eating junk food and fast food. Everybody like to eat outside, hotels, street foods and all. So I'm not telling that don't take this. Sometime you can take this, but it's not like regularly you love to eat the junk foods, fast foods, because we don't know how they are making, in which ingredient they are involving in that, and which water they are using. Is they maintaining the proper hygiene or not? And so regularly eating junk food and fast food is the main causes for the every type of disease. It could be a fatness, it could be a gas disease, it could be a any type of disease. Stress and tension. Nowadays people are busy with their lifestyle. They are sleeping late night, and they are doing, because of appreciation in your corporate offices and all, that sleeping late night doing the works and all. For modern lifestyle culture, they are also following the late night sleeping. There will be most stress and tension without any reason. So this is also a stress is a type of disease. I will take a session different for the stress. I'll share with you the video. Because of this, you will find many type of disease in terms of physically, mentally and healthy life. So this two I have told. Then going to pesticide and chemical food. So what is that? You can just check current in vegetable shops everywhere for because of their benefit, because of their business. They are involving with many chemicals foods, and they are involving with many pesticide food, which is harmful for our body. Nobody in vegetable world in market, they are not doing organic. Very low farmers who very low peoples, those who are doing in organic foods. But in our market, every food is pesticide, chemical foods, only the benefit of their business. So this is also one main common problem for our health. So second thing, pollution. So pollution mean what? Pollution mean nothing. I could say pollution mean either it be water pollution, either it be air pollution, either it be any type of pollution. So now population is increasing, they are using many type of things, they are not taking care of the social responsibility. Because of this, pollution is getting high. This is also one most highest reason for containing many health life and many healthy diseases. Overeat habit, overeat habit is a common problem for the many people, which is causes many diseases. Overweight, because of eating junk food, because of overeat habit, because of pesticides, chemical food, maybe stress and tension, we are gaining our weight. Simply sitting in the home, just think this lockdown period, we are sitting in the home, we are not doing any regular exercise, we are not working regularly, not doing anything regularly, then we will consuming overweight. And this could be problem of many things. It could be problem of blood pressure, it could be problem of many things. And as I told you, busy lifestyle, modern lifestyle, late night sleep, not wake up in early morning. Then consuming alcohol, smoking and drugs is 90% of people in world in India, they are consuming alcohol, smoking and drugs. I don't understand why people need this. For relaxation, what we will do? If you smoking, you will get relaxed. It might be get relaxed for you, like I don't think it will get relaxed, but you might be get relaxed for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. After that, it will be overburden for your health, overburden for your mind. Smoking injures your health. Even in the packet itself mention these things, still people are using this. It causes me a respiratory problem. It causes me a cancer also. Similar type of alcohol also. Consuming alcohol every day, it's not a good habit. It's not a good for health. Similar type drugs. This is people. Most of the people are educated people. They know. Still they are drinking alcohol. Still they are doing the smoking. It's a very bad habit. You will not get stressless. You will get more disease. Whatever you are doing income, you will spend double, triple in hospital because of this specific reason. Then there is no meaning to staying outside doing income for this. Because you are doing income for what? You are staying outside from your village for what? You are maintaining your lifestyle for what? To be a good person, to be a very good life. If you consuming these all bad habits, so you will not get this type of life. So as I told you, fast food, stress, overeating habit, late night work, and pesticides food, pollutions, overweight, and busy lifestyle, consuming alcohol and smoking. All of these things, if you counted this, all of these things is coming in your many bad health or many bad diseases in your day-to-day life. You just think and tell me, am I telling any wrong things? Obviously it is happening in everyday's life. So fast food will get more diseases, stress will get tensions, headache and many diseases, and they will take your happiness. Overeating habit, maybe you will get for 1 hour, half an hour happiness, but after that it burden to your diseases. Similarly, late night sleep for your promotion, for appreciation, you might do this. So it is also a very bad things for your health. Consuming pesticide also, it's consuming diseases on your health. Pollutions, overweight, busy lifestyle, and smoking, drinking, This is all causing the problem. So what we can do, what prevention we can take, what steps you can take so that we will not face, at least not face many diseases. At least we strong our immune system, at least we strong ourselves. Before going to this, I would rather say you that I am having a very migraine pain from backside of my backside of my home, not front. The people having front side, middle of the head, but I am getting always the migraine pain backside of head, and also it's like I used to do habituated with Vicks, Amrita Bhajans, rollers, everything. Even when I am working there also I used to keep this type of thing. It's like it's also addicted things. I got addicted with these things a few years back, so I got addicted with this. So many people that if they don't use this, then they're addicted, they can't sleep. So this is also a very bad habit. So stopping these things, I have consulted with my friends, my circles, those who are there. I have taken their advice. I've started since last 10 to 11 months with wellness. I'll tell you why I started with wellness, what is the benefit of this, what benefit I got, and to whom I refer, they also benefited these things. See, I'll tell you the wellness by Oriflame. Oriflame is from a Sweden company, and I am telling the history of wellness product in Oriflame. I'll tell you the history of wellness by Oriflame links directly to the research who proved this. The professor, the scientist, Mr. Stickstein, he invented these things. Thanks to Mr. Professor Stickstein, who is the founder of the Iglosal Life Science Community in Sweden. You can search in Google who is Iglosal Life Science Community. You can find the details. One of the professor with Stinsky interested in nutrition and its impact, how nutritional impact on your health, how you will get a better health, and your immune system got strong, so you will fight against the many type of disease. And it was Stickstein only and his team who is continuously researched and developed the wellness by Oriflame natural balance shake formula after more than 8 years of intensive research and studies, including clinical trial of the product and safety and effect. 8 years of research, intensive research, they have done this, then they have produced this wellness, and hats off to them that 8 years of intensive research which formulated the Oriflame wellness. So we have dedicated wellness by Oriflame research laboratory at Global R&D Center in Ireland, where we develop high-performing nutritional products for our consumers, including powders, tablet, capsule, and other wellness products type. You can check Google the review of this. You can check Google the green point mark I have done here. Professor Stickstein, who is Mr. Professor Stickstein, and who is the Iglosal Life Science Community. You can get to know the details. I no need to spend time over here on that, because you might think that I'm doing advertise of this, but it's not like this, because I have experienced these things. That's why I'm sharing with you. And in India also we have 2 production center. They are collecting every product and they're delivering the smoothly with proper hygienic and maintaining everything. Show how the product has been impacted successful in human. The wellness by Oriflame understand to achieve a healthy lifestyle every day can be difficult or help to bring balance to daily nutrition intake through our daily routine targeted solution. It consumes with protein source like milk, pea and soya, natural flavors and nutrition ingredients of the nutritions, free from artificial colorant and preservations. Based on a healthy Nordic diet approach which promotes the daily consumptions, like we are not regularly eating fish, we are not regularly eating vegetables, we are not proper vegetables, and also many nutrients things in day-to-day life, because every day if we take this then we will be healthy. So considering this in mind, which promotes daily consumptions of berries is very plus very positive, giving very good things in our health. Fish, legumes, vegetables, whole grains, shellac, and such as oats, barley, and rye. Wellness by Oriflame products are formulated with natural ingredients to help fill the daily gaps in the diet and promote a healthy lifestyle. At Wellness by Oriflame, we are committed to guide you through the complex world of healthy eating and dietary supplements, offering a range of high-quality natural products that are developed by world-leading Swadeshi scientists. Because after continuously used this product last 10 months, I have reduced my weight, and also it's not like some products are there you can see which is reduced suddenly in 1 month or 2 months. It will be very harmful for your body, because see, this is called yo-yo concept. You can check in Google. Suddenly that is impacted in your hormone and it will be reduce your weight. Later when you will leave this product again suddenly consuming the weight, it is very bad for your health. This is called yo-yo effect, which is consuming your health and monitoring your hormones is very bad way. You can check these things. What is this yo-yo effect? So this you can just check. This is the Professor Stickstein, member of Oriflame Scientific Advisor Board, developer of the Natural Balance Shake. You can check what is the important they have given in terms of consumers product, in terms of safety, and these all are their team members who will spend their 8 years in research, then they found this product. So we have 3 type of products, which is Wellness Nutri-Shake 3 flavors: strawberry, mango, banana, and vanilla. So this is, I have one these things which is Nutri-Shake, which is this like a strawberry. I love strawberry, so I am daily routine. I'm using these things. You can see here I also mark, and this is very safety. Not only me, I will tell you my story. In my home, I have stopped buying outside products. Like I used to buy for me separately protein powder, for my child separately protein powder, for my husband separately protein powder. Even my mom and dad is there, I used to send them separately protein powder. So I stopped for all this powder. I don't eat for common, which is for wellness products, and we are regularly eating with milk or water these flavors. So we got many tremendous effect. I stopped with my, not only for this, I used to take the omega-3 capsules and astaxanthin capsules. So this 3 is my daily routines, and this 3 is giving, I will tell you what is the benefit of omega-3 and astaxanthin capsules. So I have stopped my what is the migraine pains, and also I feel very better. I feel very happy on my life, like comfortable, like not like that I'm feeling dizziness, laziness. I'm not like that. I'm not active, so what? I'm not strong bones and all. So I feel many improvement on that. So I would show you. See, here I have omega-3, which I'm using regularly since last 6 months, and this one also last 6 months I am using, which is astaxanthin capsules. So I will tell you these 3 products details. So going to our wellness product, which is developed by world leading Swadeshi scientists, proven safety and efficiency of cleaning trial, manufacturers at HACCP certificate plant, only natural nutritional ingredients and natural rich in high fiber, low GI, 3 protein sources, a meal supplement, not a meal replacement. I again telling you, this is just a supplement, proper nutrient which will give diet balance, which will give balance to your life. If anything you are not taking in your eating habit, so it's not a meal replacement. That means I will drink this, I will not take meal. So this 3 flavors, which is mango, banana, strawberry, and this 3 flavor, as I said, vanilla is available. Okay, Then I'm going to omega-3. Even if you saw many cases, doctor also suggested to having the omega-3 capsules. There is many variant omega-3 capsule is there, but only Oriflame omega-3 capsule, which I feel it's a natural fish oil. Fatty acid are thought to help reduce of risk heart disease, also promote the healthy skins, and also it will improve your eye uses, eye marks, and they are also used to be diet and exercise to help lower level of certain blood fats and also maintain the good cholesterol SDL. It is good for heart and it is cleaning your younger. You can feel your skins are younger and you, yeah, definitely hair loss problem. It will go. I experienced this. Prevent for the diabetes also, weight loss, boosting memory and fertility. You can check in Google review. You can go to our website and you can check the review also. Even it supports eye health, it's reduce the inflammation, support healthy skins. In pregnancy you need this fish oil to getting many like nutrients and growing of your baby. Reduce liver fat, improve the symptoms of depression, improve the attention and hyperactivities in children, prevent symptoms of mental decline, improve asthma symptoms and allergy risks, improve bone health, joint pain, support heart health. If you don't believe, you can just, I have pasted some link over here, www.healthline.com. You can check there what is the benefit of fish oil, natural fish oil or omega-3. This is all benefit you will feel. It's not like if you use in 1 month, 2 months. If you continuously using for at least 3-4 months, you will feel the different. So this is what the omega-3 benefit. Now I'm going to astaxanthin capsule. Even nowadays, doctor suggested the omega-3 and astaxanthin capsules in the COVID situation also, because to fight against the disease, we need a good immune system. So astaxanthin capsule is this one. I'll tell you what is the benefit of this. It's remove the benefit of this is, I will tell you what is the benefit of this. It is having the bilberry extract things, and this is a complex which is including astaxanthin and bilberry extract, and you can take 1 capsule daily after the meal. And if you are using this thing, then your immune system will be very strong. You will improve your decreasing the risk of brain damage or strokes. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory. It's an antidote I can tell you, and which will give you. It is an antioxidant combination, and which will, in blueberries having many antioxidant combination is Swadeshi for it. Main thing, it will improve your skin benefit. It's reduce your fine lines, wrinkles, improve moisturization in skin. You will get very good immune system in that. Enhance your natural beauty things, and also strong immune system as I said you. And also it is like, if I tell many things, you will not believe until you use this. So I have using this, so I know the benefit of this. Astaxanthin benefit, you can search in Google, obviously you will find us. So I get a happy life after using this product. So it's not like I am advertising over here. I'm telling you because there is some reason behind this. So if you use this product, then only you will know this. After all, we know that health is wealth. Instead of spending money in the hospital, why you are not taking the prevention with the proper nutrient, proper proteins in our body? So we cannot enjoy wealth if we are not good in health. So do friendship with fruits, vegetable, proper nutrient things, then you will make health is wealth and you will get happiness. Healthy body makes an active mind. If you once you sick, cannot make good things ruin. So start taking your proper foods, proper things, because prevention is better than cure. Health is wealth. So you can spend money for the health, not for the hospitals, not for the doctor fees. That's it. Thank you.